Friends, today we will study the third stanza of the poem at the Alexander Feast, written by John Dryden. In these lines, Timotheus placed on his high amid the tuneful choir, with playing fingers stirs the lyre, the trembling notes ascend the sky and heavenly joy inspire. Here, Timotheus, who is a great musician, he was playing the music, and the tone attended by the Timotheus, it was looking like that it was trembling. They accept the sky and heavenly joy inspire. So first of all, Timotheus started with a religious song which will inspire heavenly joy, and he started. So Timotheus has started with song, and it was religious song which will inspire heavenly joy. A dragon's fury and heavenly joy inspire. The song began from Jove, who left his blissful seat above. Such is the power of mighty love. He started now. Jove started his song. He has started with a hymn. Hymn is called as a song in the praise of God. He is also called mighty power of joy, mighty power of love. So it seemed that he is so much inspired by the God. The song of Timotheus was looking. It was the praise of God. That's why it is also called hymn. So in next stanza, a song began from Jove, who left his blissful seat above. Such is the power of mighty love. A dragon's fiery form bellied the god, sublime on radiant spire he rode. When he to fair Olympia's pressed, and while he sought her snowy breast, then round her slender waist he curled, and stamped an image of himself as sovereign of the world. The listening crowd admire the lofty sound. A present deity they shout around. A present deity. He vaulted roofs rebound with ravished airs. The monarch hears, assume the god, affect the nod, and seems to shake the spears. Here, Timotheus has started with the myth hymn that was praise of God. Next, Timotheus was singing in the manner that it seemed that Joe was singing himself in the party. Uh, the song was like that, it was about the Joe, but it seemed that Joe himself is singing himself in the party. So he started singing with the praise of Joe. Timotheus started singing with the praise of Joe, and he relates a story with his song that how was Alexander born. So every day everybody said that when Alexander born, everybody said that the Alexander is not a common human being, because he is not the son of common man. He is the son of God himself. He is like God, like hero. So this is the song which Timotheus sung in the praise of Job, and indirectly he was praising the Alexander himself. A dragon's fiery form believed the god. At dragon's fairy form, he is relating a story that Olympia is the mother of Alexander, and when she was pregnant, Olympia was impregnated by Zeus, because it is believed that Alexander could not get human being. He is not a common human being. So, how did Joe came on the earth? He came on the earth in the form of dragon. Means he did not seem to look like a god at that time. He looked as a dragon. Who Alexander looked like a dragon when he get birth. When he got birth, the god left distinguished. He is relating this story at that time of the birth of the Alexander. So he came on the earth riding on sublime spires. God Zeus had an intercourse with Olympia. As a result of that, what happened? Olympia became pregnant and Alexander was born. And in other words, we can say that poet wants to say that Alexander was not a common human being.